Good evening, Capricorn. Let us see what is in the cards for you for August 2023. Messages for Capricorn. Even through the spells, the programming, and the manipulation, I can feel your pleasure and your pain. Capricorn. For some of you, you could be dealing with a female Capricorn, or you could be a female Capricorn. Take only what resonates with you. Even through the spells, programming, and manipulation, I can still feel your pleasure and your pain. Messages for Capricorn. Expression. Capricorn, you may be prompted by the Holy Spirit to express yourself in the month of August. Empathy is what I'm hearing, Capricorn, for the month of August. Empathy. Perhaps the empathy that you feel, or the empathy that you want to express. Communication is key. For some of you, you could be dealing with a Gemini, or you may be a Gemini dealing with a Capricorn. Take what resonates. Earth sign woman, you could be dealing with a fellow earth sign who is a woman. Taurus, Virgo. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Something needs to be planned, or things may not go as planned. Twists and turns. Carefully made plans could be thrown out the window as major changes and interruptions surround you. Make sure you get lots of rest to cope with all the upheaval, Capricorn. Whatever this is, it is designed essentially to throw you off. For some of you, you may not see this coming no matter how intuitive you are, because the channel is going to be interrupted by manipulation, spell work possibly. What did it say? Spells. Programming, okay? Programming could be what society deems as the right thing to do or wrong thing to do. Programming could also be in regards to your routine or your habitual ways of dealing or coping with said situation, whatever this situation may be in the month of August. Messages for Capricorn. It's important for you to express and communicate when these hiccups occur so that they are quickly alleviated. I could feel your pleasure and your pain. Capricorn. Queen of Swords. For some of you, you could be dealing with an Aquarius. 38 may be significant, deriving to 11. You could be a life path 11, or you could be dealing with a life path 11. It's important right now for you to move strategically. Whatever this is, you're not going to be able to just completely walk away from it. You're going to have to feel your way through whatever this hiccup is. Communication is key. Communicating on, look at this card. Communicating on what you see and what you don't see. In the shadow phase of the moon, something is hidden in the month of August. You won't be able to use your eyes. You're going to have to use your heart space, Queen of Cups. For some of you, this may involve nurturing someone or something. Messages for Capricorn. Possibly nurturing oneself. Self-care is needed. There's also some dynamic that is not being addressed here in regards to self-control. This could be due to these twists and turns that may occur in the month of August. What's tied to this is because someone is trying to throw you off of your mojo, Cap. In the month of August, there is a life-changing opportunity coming in, but you may run the risk of self-sabotage or perhaps missing this opportunity because you're still holding on to something else at the moment. The Spirit is urging you to release, because holding on to this situation may greatly affect the outcome of the other. Messages for Capricorn. This is a multi-channeled read, okay? So some parts may resonate, some may not. This is also giving the energy of this can play out in many different ways. For some of you, this is going to be a physical situation or person or company, or for others, this may have something to do with someone manipulating an outcome of a situation. Remember, spells aren't always literally, you know, a coven going ham at a cauldron. Spells could also be manipulation tactics, trying to change how people perceive you through gossip, lies, slander, defamation. This could also be something in regards to programming. How things usually go in your life may be thrown out of whack because of something that is not expected that may occur. Okay? This could also be you or someone else outside of you going through something that is painful or quite pleasurable, and somehow this affects your attention to detail. Spirit is urging you to keep going anyway. It's important for you to communicate, right? Because you don't want to come off as unendearing, or that, quite frankly, that you don't care. You may care a whole lot, but there's something else that's coming in that you need to be focused on. Messages for Capricorn. Upon you doing this or taking heed to this message, a victory is imminent for you. This is really about remaining organized and taking heed to your priorities. Yes. Priorities are key at the moment. There may be something that is purposely inflicted upon you to try to distract you from said priorities. This may have something to do with a father figure, a boss, or for some of you, a partner. You have the Emperor here. Someone may be wanting to secretly communicate this to an Emperor. Yes. Any other messages for Capricorn this evening, month of August? The Lion. Believe in your own power. Someone may be, or something may be, trying to deter you from your self-belief that you are stronger than you think and that you can persevere through whatever this circumstance is. I hope that these messages found you well, Capricorn, and until next time.